In my initial remarks to you, I reminded you that this was not television, that this was reality, that there are not perfect cases, that there were inconsistencies here, but that you had and would have and now have more than sufficient evidence to resolve those inconsistencies. The facts of this case, the evidence of this case, show beyond any reasonable doubt that the defendant is guilty of not only murdering Hakeem Powell, but guilty, obviously, of the other charges, which we really haven't talked about: carrying a firearm, carrying or being in possession of ammunition, discharging a firearm within 500 feet of the dwelling. I'm not going to address those latter.
And gentlemen, you are here performing one of the most important and awesome duties that can be asked of a citizen of the United States. It's going to be your responsibility as jurors in this case to pass judgment on another human being, in this case, Jean Mercado. And I only hope that these last few closing statements that I make here today will ease your burden of reaching a verdict in this case. Jean Mercado is not guilty of any of the charges that have been brought against him by the 4 indictments in this case. He's presumed by the law to be innocent, and the Commonwealth has failed to prove, as Gary will instruct you, a defendant never has the burden to prove anything. It is the Commonwealth that carries the burden of proving Jean Mercado's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Having said that, I certainly hope that it has been obvious to you that I've tried to point out the things that show that the Commonwealth has failed to meet its burden of proving its case beyond a reasonable doubt.